Hey, this is Velen from UXCam. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to use dashboards in UXCam. We're going to cover how to create and manage dashboards, how to set up notification alerts for key reports, and how to automate dashboard digests via email for your stakeholders. So without further ado, let's jump straight in. To access your dashboards, you want to head over to the Dashboards tab from the menu on the left-hand side. And to view all the dashboards that your team has already created, you want to click the drop-down menu right here. This is where you can also create a new dashboard by hitting the New Dashboard button. And from here, you can name your dashboard, you can add an optional description, and then you can also set the visibility. You can choose from a few options, such as making the dashboard accessible to everyone in your organization, making it accessible to only people you invite, or making it private. Depending on the access level you choose, you'll also be able to choose whether the recipients have access to just view the dashboard or edit the dashboard. Once created, your dashboard will be empty, but you can start adding reports immediately, either by utilizing our report library, which consists of hundreds of templates that you can add directly to your dashboard with one click, or by building a report from scratch. By default, each report in a dashboard has its own date range, but if you prefer a consistent view, you can apply a single date range across all reports. To do this, you want to click on the three dots in the top right corner of the dashboard and toggle Single Date Range. This will log all reports for the same time frame, for example the last 7 days, helping you keep reporting consistent. You can choose what the date range applicable to the entire dashboard can be from the date range filter right next to the Add Report button. You can also create notification alerts for specific reports. Just click the bell icon on a report you want to track and hit Create Alert. From here, you will name your alert, confirm the metric, which is automatically pulled from the report, optionally add filters if you'd like, and then set the trigger and threshold, which can be anything between when the value increases or decreases by at least a certain threshold, or when the value is above or below a certain threshold. You will then be asked to choose your recipients and decide how often they should be notified, either once per day or once per week. Once created, the alert will trigger automatically whenever your set condition is met, and it will notify the selected recipients. While alerts are great for keeping track of individual reports, if you want to send an entire dashboard to stakeholders on a schedule, you should use dashboard digests. To create one, you want to click the envelope icon in the top right hand corner and then create digest. Now from here, you'll be asked to name your digest, choose your recipients, and also choose the frequency, whether you want to send this daily, weekly, monthly, or quarterly. The last step is to choose a start date, for example, every Monday, starting from next Monday. Once saved, the digest will send a snapshot of the dashboard to the selected emails automatically. That was a quick overview of dashboards in UXCam, from creating dashboards and alerts to automating dashboard digests. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at team@uxcam.com. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.